Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is Shopify development. So basically Shopify development is short for the Shopify development stores. So there are features and limitations of development stores right here and we're going to go through them. So basically you can do the following with your development store. You can process unlimited order of test orders, create unlimited number of unique products, create 10 custom apps and assign custom domains. So why does it have those? Basically you're only a tester and development is not a live store that you can actually play out and have customers and earn money from. Basically this is only for testing if it is good as a store. So the limitations is you can only install free apps and partner friendly apps, test bogus test gateways, and your payment's not gonna be real, it's just gonna be test orders. And here you can generate print test labels basically. You can't even remove your password page and you can no longer be eligible for promotions or free trials if you ever transfer to the store to a live plan. So basically right here you will have to get that right here in the settings basically, but once you actually go for your development store you will not be able to get this for free anymore for 1 month, but you'll be able to purchase it already straight directly into your Shopify store, and it's just that simple. So the basic plan, the Shopify plan, the advanced plan, and the plus plans are right here. If you want to pause them and read them, you can do so basically. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.